Well, hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon. If you're a musician, it's probably good morning. Actually, most people these days, it might be everybody's good morning now. So, anyway, hope you all are doing well. We're enjoying another beautiful sunshiny day here, and relaxing here on the porch. And we're going to do you day 24. Can you believe that? A flat picking on the porch. So today we've elected to do a tune that I really love. In fact, I just posted a tune of mine about how much I love trains. So I love anything involving trains. So this is a tune that goes way back. It's called Reuben's Train. It's got that good bluesy feel. So we'll do you that one today, and playing the old 75 Guild today. It just works so good with these drop D tunings. So here it is. Hope you enjoy it. A little Reuben's Train. Sit back and relax, and thanks for tuning in. There you go, friends. Hope you enjoyed a little Reuben's Train. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy this sunshine, and enjoy the beautiful weather wherever you are. Thanks for tuning in as always, and we'll keep these coming to you. We'll be in day 25 tomorrow at 3 p.m. And so hope you all are well and stay safe, and thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, we also have another tune coming out today, right?
We do, actually. Yes, new song will be out today. I'll tell you a little thing about it. Anybody that knows me knows I'm fascinated with Jack the Ripper, and kind of a ripperologist in some ways. I've done a lot of study and research over the past 25 years on the subject, and so we wrote a song together called "The Autumn of '88." Very dark and kind of just a really dark Pink Floyd style tune, kind of depicting the scene, what it must have been like in 1888 in East End, London. Our good buddy Thomas over in the UK, if you're watching, he did some great voiceovers for us. So we're real excited about this tune. So we're going to post it later today. So stay tuned for that. If you're a fan of the macabre and the darker side, which we are, we certainly don't promote serial killing by no means. No. However, we do study it quite a bit, and very fascinating. So this is a tune called The Autumn of '88. We'll release it later today. Look for that and see what you think. Let us know what you think about it.
All right, now I'll say it.
Now she'll say it.
Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there.